and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and here is the results. The two most asked for PaintGem mini sets to unbox next is Birds and Rainbow. So the last video I'll unbox the last three, but I'm going to start with Birds because that was very close to being the most popular one last time. But to show you the back, we have quite a few different birds. It would be very surprising to see how many colours there actually are in this one. Box is a little bit damaged, but that's fine. I'm going to chop it to start off with because I do like to keep these bits for when I am kitting up. It gives me the reference. The reference as to the names is on the website for a lot of them. When I ordered these sets, they weren't yet on for the new ones, but they may well be on now. But oh, look at those colours. Pretty. So we do have quite a few colours in here, but they always look so lovely and rainbow. When they're all laid out in the packs, we have got some whites and stuff, so we do seem to have quite a few that don't have too many that have got tucked in there. We've got some blues, some greens, some browns. To show you the toolkit, just in case you've not seen my previous videos, each of them come with this toolkit, but just to show you what you get, if I can get hold of them. Come on. So you get a nice white tray with a funnel. You get a set of white tweezers. You get a diamond painting pen, a clear one with a single placer. You get some wax for said pen. Gorgeous heart shape in a pot, helps it to not dry out. Then you get a couple of multi-placers. I think there are 3 and a 7, and then you get a squishy for on the end of your pen. What you can also do, I don't know if you've ever seen it on one of my tips and tricks, but let's throw this in because it's been a while. What you can do is if you chop one of the sections off from your squishy, you can still have a squishy for a pen, but you can also use the squishy to create yourself a little stopper in the tray to stop your diamonds coming out until you want them to. So there you go. Let's throw in that random little tip and trick into that one, and then let's crack open the paintings themselves. So I'm going to move the box out the way because this is what I will be keeping hold of, just due to space limitations. So we do have quite a few in this one, so I think it was 12. Yeah, so 37 colours in this one. A couple of symbols on there, but they do primarily use letters and numbers. We have a parrot. I'm going to keep hold of this just in case I've got any of them wrong. But we have a parrot, an owl. I want to say that's it's definitely an owl. A robin, or Christmas robin, they've actually called it. Is that a blue tit? They call that a tit bird. So we call that a blue tit, though it could be one of the other variants of tits. That looks like a quick one. That one is a flamingo, a peacock. Is that a toucan? Yeah, toucan. A penguin. Then we have, oh, what is that one? That one is a mandarin duck. There you go, a mandarin duck. Then we have a dove. Oh, they've called it a pigeon. Sorry, a pigeon, that one. Pigeons are a bit more grey where I live. Then we have a swan. A crane bird. on one foot. We have, is that a hummingbird with a gorgeous little flower? Then we have an eagle. Is that a pheasant? Yes, a pheasant. And a heron, is it? Pelican. A pelican. So there we go. That is the bird set. So I like to keep those all together in the little storage pack that it comes in. By the way, it does have, 3 or 10 gems at a time, so it must be a 3 and a 10 placer. But it has some little tips and tricks and things like that on here, and it has the instructions for how to diamond paint, and it has a QR code if you need to speak to them about anything. So that's quite handy. So I like to pop all of these together and keep them in one of these A5 mesh pouches. And then the diamonds already have a label, which is why I just give it this label, rather than using my full canvas labels, because these already come with them. And I pop those in there. So those are going to go into my square diamond straight away. If you saw my craft room tour, the craft room that is now the shop room, this is going to go into my little tub down here at the left of me, and that is where I store anything that needs to go into my logbook. So anything I've unboxed in the month of March will go in there until it's added to my logbook, and then it will go in with my square diamond paintings. And then we have the rainbow edition. So for the rainbow edition, again, I'm just gonna chop off the front and the back. This one doesn't have names, so the stickers that we do that you can use to label your paintings, Megan has created names, but we have 16 different designs in this one. And then in our box, and you can turn these boxes inside out if you do want to reuse them for packaging, or you could just use them this way and pop an address on the front. We have a toolkit, same as last time. Beautiful. That is full on rainbow colours. There is a little bit of black. A little bit of black and grey tucked in the back, but we do have quite a few rainbow colours. I think we're definitely going to have more than 30 on this one. Oh yes we do. So what have we got? 36, 38, 44 colours in this one. So we have quite a few more symbols showing an appearance. We have a little Wi-Fi logo, a divide, a double-ended arrow, a straight up arrow, a club, a diamond, a spade, a lightning bolt, a heart. I think that's it. The rest are letters and numbers. Gorgeous colours in there. It's like little love mail. Quite a few different colours coming into each of these. Oh, we've got a rabbit. Oh, he's cute. Princess Castle in the sky by the looks of it. We have a balloon whale, a unicorn. If I remember rightly, there is 2 unicorns in this, but you know, it wouldn't be a rainbow edition without it. Oh, that was gorgeous. Shooting star, a rainbow with stars around. Somebody's had fun doing this one. Unicorn with magic, and there is actually about 3 or 4 different symbols making up the word magic, so different colours. Then we have an eye, a princess, another princess sat on a moon, an ice cream full of love, a dragon. Oh, he's cute. Then we have some flowers, a mermaid under the sea, and a love heart. Oh, with a little angel halo. Oh, they are cute. I do like those. I like the fact that they're colourful as well. I really enjoy working on kits that have lots of colour. They just make me smile. Even though it's a lot of the kits without colour that end up finding a place in my home, I really enjoy the process of working with kits with colour. So I'm going to pop those bits into there. I did think about adding our cover sheets and sticker sheets to these so that everything was together. But when I kit this up, I don't need the bag anymore, so I figured I'd just grab them from the shop when I needed them. But yeah, that is the Birds and Rainbow edition of the PaintGem mini sets, the new ones. So I will pop a link and a discount code down below in case you want to go and treat yourself to any of them. But stay tuned. I don't think it's next week. I think it might be the week after. I will unbox the last 3. So insects, which I'm surprised that wasn't asked for more. Insects, and then it's mystery edition, and the mandalas. The mandalas as well, or mandalas, depending on how you say it. I'll unbox all 3 of those together. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.